I received this bomb twist out using my Nature's Little Secrets products. I started with the banana leave-in conditioner. This is a very lightweight leave-in conditioner that has a lot of slip and smells amazing. So I applied that to each section, and then I went in with a little bit of oil and topped that off with the strawberry styling cream from Nature's Little Secret. Now the styling cream also smells amazing, a lot thicker than the leave-in conditioner, and the two of them together provide so much slip and moisture. Gave me a bomb twist out. So I just sectioned my hair and did medium 2-strand twists all over.
When my day was coming to its end, but I know we had to grow apart. I wish you would have told me before, but I never knew things would get so hard. And I'll always love you for who you are. See, I don't blame you for running. I've never seen the dark places you've been. So please, can you tell me something? Like what it'll take to make it ours again. See, I don't blame you for running. I've never seen the dark places you've been. So please, can you tell me something? Like what it'll take to make it ours again. Everybody knows that I'm right, but I hate myself for not letting go in, for putting up such an emotional fight. It leads to rejection, then suppression, then mistaken conversation. Oh, then I'm so tired, I've been so tried, and to make things work, I'll pull it all inside. I know we had to grow apart, but I never knew that things would get so hard. And I'll always love you for who you are. See, I don't blame you for running. I've never seen the dark places you've been. So please, can you tell me something?
My twists are complete. Going to sit in the dryer for 30 minutes. This is the result of my twist out the next morning, and as you can see, the shrinkage is definitely real, but also the definition is real. I just separated each one of my twists. They are moisturized, twists are bouncy, definition is on 100, the link check there. These twists are so defined, like I am literally blown away. Definition is just bomb. I have to do it for you twice. Yes, definition was bomb, so I went through and separated a little further, taking my time not to disturb that bomb definition that I had, twirling the ends around my fingers just to eliminate some frizz. And any spots where there was a little frizz at the end, I just re-twirled it around my finger again and went back in place. Bomb twist out, bomb moisture, bomb definition. So pleased with this little dynamic duo. Can't wait to try the rest of Nature's Little Secrets products.